Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dominique, and in today's video I'm doing a natural everyday look, and it looks so effortless. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my face using the e.l.f. Mineral Primer. And if you see me looking down a lot, that's because I'm looking at my mirror. Next, I'm going to use my NYX color corrector using the color orange. Then I'm going to take my Equal Tools concealer brush and I'm applying it to the darker areas of my face. Next, I'm taking my Black Radiance True Complexion BB Cream with SPF in the color 8918 Chocolate. I'm going to apply that with my beauty sponge. It's a very lightweight foundation and it is buildable. Since we're keeping this natural, we're not going to do too much, but we're going to do enough where my skin will look flawless. For concealer, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn and applying that under my eyes, on my nose, in the middle of my forehead, because I also want to brighten these areas of my face. Then I'm going to take a clean side of my sponge to blend it out. To set my concealer, I'm using the Black Radiance Translucent Powder. That's going to give me a matte finish, and it's in the color 8620 Translucent. And I'm going to apply that with my triangular sponge. Next, I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to take the NYX Professional Eye Makeup Eyebrow Pencil in the color Dark Brown EP05. To define my brows, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Again, I'm going to take my Equal Tools concealer brush. I'm going to wipe it down from my last use. Now you don't have to do this, but you can just use the brush already attached, but I want to, just for a little bit more precision. And I'm going to blend it down to my eyelids, just so I can prime my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm going to be using two different eyeshadow palettes. So I'm going to start off with the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the color Warm Neutrals. I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush to apply the eyeshadows. I'm going to start off with using this taupe color, apply that all over my eyelid. I'm going to use this color right here. It's also really close to my skin color. It wouldn't look like I have a lot of makeup on. I also want to make it one of my transition colors, so I'm applying that into my crease and a little past my crease. The second palette I'm going to use is the e.l.f. 18 Hit Wonders palette. And so far I have been really loving this palette and all the vibrant colors. Look at that. Shimmers and mattes, so pretty. I'm going to use this color right here, Peachy, and I'm going to apply that just on my lid. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Wow, okay. I'm going to take my e.l.f. eye crease brush to apply one of my favorite colors in the palette so far. Is Supreme. So I'm going to apply Supreme to my crease. And this one I'm going to do in a sweeping motion just because I want it to be right in the crease, following the shape of my eyes. I'm also going to do it at the bottom of my lash line. It adds some warmth to your eyes. I don't do too much because it's still an everyday look. I like to keep my makeup pretty natural. Then I'm going to take my e.l.f. blending brush to blend everything out. I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. eyeliner pen. And I'm not wearing false lashes for this look. I usually don't. If you want to see the full tutorial on how I get my lashes to look long and full without falsies, check out my video. I'll leave a link in the description box below. For lashes, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Primer in the color White. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Very Black. Next, I'm going to use my EcoTools brush to wipe off the excess powder. To set my entire face, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color N8 Cappuccino. I'm going to use the same EcoTools brush to apply it. And this brings back some warmth to my face. So I'm going to bronze up my face a little bit just to add more warmth. So I'm using the Black Radiance. I don't know why I still have that tag there. I guess because I was so happy it was $1.40 at Target. It was on clearance. But yes, I'm using the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Cafe 8614. To apply it, I'm going to use the e.l.f. bronzing brush. I'm still keeping it natural, so I don't want to put too much. And I'm using my EcoTools eyeshadow brush. Blend it out with my blending brush, and I like to add a little bit of the fawn of my concealer to make it pop. I use the Soothing Touch Coconut Lime Lip Balm. It's vegan, 85% organic, and I bought this from Whole Foods for $2.79. This is my favorite lip balm, and it has a nice, really light scent to it. I'm going to move on to my Jordana lip liner in the color Coco Loco. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color Abu Dhabi. You can either stay with the soft matte lip, or you can add some gloss like I have on right now. And I use the Neutrogena Moisture Shine Lip Soother with sunscreen SPF 20 and a cooling hydration. For blush, I'm using the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Toasted Almond. And I'm going to use my EcoTools brush to apply it. Also adding it to other areas of my face to give that warmth look. For highlighter, I'm using the Black Radiance Artisan Color Baked Blush in the color Flawless, number 3520. I'm going to wipe off my e.l.f. bronzing brush and apply the highlighter. To set my face, I'm using the e.l.f. Makeup Mister. I know, everything's rubbing off, but it still works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.